Monday after Mother's Day.
Right, 1. That's okay,
I'm a 2. I'm a 2.
I'm a 2 sometime, it's fine. All right, so hope you all had a happy Mother's Day. Let's see, we are doing a healthy, no-bake oatmeal fudge bar. Doesn't that sound delicious?
It sounds absolutely delicious, and I love the whole no-bake part.
Yes, I do too. I love no-bake things. We make those little no-bake cookies with our complete, and I just love, I used to love making those when I was little. We were looking for a recipe for part of our Ding Dong dinner this evening. We have a Ding Dong dinner tonight, and we wanted to think of a fun, healthy dessert to send along because they have some kiddos, and so this is what we came up with, right? And we are going to add some of our chocolate complete to this. So we're going to start with 1 cup of our oat flour. And I just got this here at Schnucks, Bob's Red Mill oat flour. You could probably grind your own,
Yeah,
but you need a spoon, huh?
I got this.
There you go.
So I'm putting all this in here.
Yep, all this in there.
Okay.
And so that's a cup of oat flour. This is a cup of our gluten-free rolled oats, our favorite. I think we use this in lots of stuff. And then we're gonna add 1 scoop of our chocolate complete, okay? Again, this is high in fiber, high in protein, 15 plant nutrients, and I love the chocolatey flavor this gives. It's a Dutch chocolate smoothie mix, but we add this in tons of our baking, and I absolutely love it. All right, so now we're gonna add a 4th cup of our melted coconut oil, all right? So we just melted that in the microwave for about a minute. We're going to do ½ teaspoon of salt.
So this is going to be the base and the topping, right? So
It's going to be the base and the top. And then 1.5 tablespoon of vanilla. Okay. So there we go. Okay. And then we need a 4th cup of maple syrup. All right, that's all the liquid you get.
That's it.
That's all you get. All right, so we're gonna see how that, it's probably gonna be pretty thick, I'm guessing. And maybe with the addition of the complete, we could add a little more liquid. I don't know though if we'll need it or not.
I don't think so.
It's gonna be all right. All right. And so we're just gonna take, as soon as we get this nice and mixed, we're just gonna take a ½ of this mixture and pat it into our 8x8 brownie pan that's been sprayed with Pam. So,
okay, so ½ of it.
½ of that in there.
Let's do this.
And while you're doing that, I'm gonna go ahead and start whisking this middle mixture. So this here is 3 cups of our semi-sweet, dairy-free chocolate chips. And this is just a 1/3 cup of our light coconut milk here, okay? So we've melted the chocolate chips. When you melt chocolate chips, you just do about 30 seconds at a time, stir up, do another 30 seconds. And what we're making here is sort of like a ganache, okay? And this is gonna go in the center. So I'm just gonna whisk this coconut milk in with our chocolate chips.
And did you show them they enjoy?
Yes.
So listen, so if we use a lot of these dairy-free chips, and they're a little pricey. They're a little more expensive, not a little more, a lot more expensive than regular chocolate chips. If you go into Amazon, they're actually cheaper.
Are they?
Yes.
Okay, so that's where you just got those, huh?
That's where I got 6 bags of them. So they're about $1 a bag cheaper.
Oh, well that's worth it. And
Which when we use a lot of it.
okay, good to know. Because you can buy them at Schnucks or you can buy them at like Whole Foods, but they're about $6 or $7, dollars a bag sometimes. I mean, depending on, oh, this is looking really good. All right, so this is pretty thick. As you can see here, it's like a pretty thick batter. And so this is just gonna go there in the middle. This is gonna be really chocolatey.
It's gonna be very chocolatey.
I mean, I'm pretty excited, I'm not gonna lie. And then you're just I'm gonna put this in here and then you'll just pat it down with that, I think. Okay.
You don't have an offset. Oh, never mind, you don't. I need to get one for you.
I don't.
It's going on the list.
I don't. I know.
Your
There's
Christmas
a
list.
long list. Okay, there we go. All right. So we're gonna kind of smooth that out. And again, the coconut oil and then of course these chocolate chips are all gonna firm back up in the fridge. Now this recipe says just to leave it in the fridge overnight. We'll probably throw it in the freezer because we're gonna be needing these tonight. But they just need to firm up and then you'll be able to cut them. So that looks great.
This is gonna be so good.
Oh my gosh, it's gonna be delicious. Wow.
Okay.
And then it says to add 2 more tablespoons of our oats to this mixture, and that is what's gonna pat on top.
Okay.
I don't know what the magic is about adding these 2 tablespoons now and not then, but I guess just so you have more of it on the top.
Maybe, yeah. I'm gonna use my hands.
Go for it. Yeah,
Because
you just washed them.
I just washed them.
Yeah, go for it. Yeah, that's probably gonna be easier, and then just sort of pat it out.
So it says to pat it on top or just sprinkle it on top?
Well, kind of sprinkle it, but I meant just kind of move it around so it covers most of the top.
Okay.
So, yeah. Oh yeah, that looks great. Oh my gosh, this is gonna be so good. I love oatmeal fudge, stuff like that. Oh, yummy,
It
yummy, yummy.
smells.
Yeah, it
so
does smell
good.
good.
Oh my gosh. We don't have to bring them the whole pan, do we?
No,
Okay,
no,
good.
no. I'm gonna have to keep a few myself. These will be a good little snack. So again, this is super easy. It's just a healthy treat. If you're looking to take something to an event or to a party, or if you just want to have a snack sitting around. I love to make snacks like this and keep them in the fridge or freezer. That way when I'm looking for something sweet, which it seems like I am every day about 3 o'clock, I'm always like, okay, I'm ready for a snack. It's nice to have something like that. That looks beautiful. So check it out.
Look at that.
Yummy, 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 yummy.
So we'll make sure that we post the recipe below. Please hit the big red subscribe button, and we would love to hear from you.
Yep.
And that's it. We're moving on.
Sounds good.
All right.
See ya.
Okay. Okay. So
Just got these out of the freezer. They were in there for about an hour. So we could put them in the fridge overnight, like it said, but you could just pop them in
Right.
the freezer for an hour and they cut really easily.
right.
So we are getting these ready for a ding dong dinner tonight, but I'm thinking we need to probably taste them.
Right. So we took out the 6 that we need for tonight's episode,
Mhm.
and the rest is for us. But we need to try them.
So, you want me to cut one of those?
Uh-huh.
All right, see what we think.
Uh-huh.
Let's see here.
That's a lot of chocolate.
That's a lot of chocolate. Yum, yum-y. All right,
Cut another little.
cut it in half again.
Yes, please.
It's almost like kind of fudgy in the center, right?
It looks fudgy.
Oh, wow. All right, let's see what we think. Oh my gosh. It's so good. I know. It's like that chocolate in the center. I mean, it says it on the recipe, or we said like a ganache, but that's exactly what that's like.
Oh my gosh.
It's so good. You don't need
Once
a lot.
again, I just threw the whole thing in my mouth.
And you know what else we did? We sprinkled a few pecans on top. They were really supposed to go in the batter,
Right. Oh my gosh.
and I forgot. I know. Oh, they're
These
heavenly.
are so good.
They're heavenly.
Oh
And
my
you really, this is a huge piece, so
because it's very rich, but it is
very rich. So some pecans could go in all of the batter. Called for a cup. We could put a cup of pecans in there.
and the crust,
Right.
bottom,
Crust.
and then the top.
But we just sprinkled it on top because I forgot. But that's okay. They're still delicious. I mean, do you miss them?
No, I taste them still. They're good.
Mhm.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah. So super easy recipe, super quick if you need a, quick dessert. It's got some healthy properties in it, and it's delicious.
And you could just cut them in little bite-sized pieces.
Yes.
And put them on a platter to serve at a party, or
Mhm.
just keep them in the fridge, and then you can just.
Yeah. In fact, I'll cut ours into smaller pieces when I cut
That
them.
would be good.
Yeah.
Okay, that looks delicious. What is that supposed to go in? The bottom? The top?
So I could sprinkle some on top.
Yeah.
Me too. I mean, really, Heather. I mean, although it would have been too thick. Don't you think?
I don't know.
I think it would have. Lord, it says you can sprinkle more on top. We're definitely going to do that. Oh, Lord.
Damn it, Heather.
I know. Ugh. I didn't even see him there.
I mean, darn it, Heather.